Good morning. It's NaNoWriMo day 15. And yesterday I got home at 10 and ate leftover Chinese food and then fell asleep on the couch. So I didn't write anymore. I left yesterday at 525 words, which is not so good. But I did update my account so it reflects that now. I just did it. I made some tea, which you saw, because I feel like absolute trash. And I'm gonna start writing for today. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's heckin' do it. I think I'm going to write with Kate and Becca. They did a live show yesterday that I was at work for that I wanted to pop in on, but I couldn't because, again, I was at work. So I'm probably gonna write with that, and we'll see what we can do. So I have about a half hour before I need to get ready. So I'm gonna set a timer on my phone for a half hour. And then I'll get ready, shower, get ready, and then I'll finish doing whatever I can do after that. So that's the plan. Woohoo! Happy Friday!
This is the best thing ever. So, yay! Oh my god, it looks so good. It does, and the inside is formatted so well. And it's pretty. You know that, the book feel.
Okay, it's 9:05. I'm at 750 words for right now. The morning, this live, write-in is 2 hours long, so I'm definitely not gonna get to finish it no matter what I was doing. But I'm going to pause on my writing. I'm at kind of a good stopping point, and I'm gonna get ready for the day and then jump back into it to see if I can write. The goal before I leave for work is 1,000, but I don't know if I can do that, so we'll see. Okay, I'm at 750 words still, but I realized I have to send a package. I have to return an Amazon order that I didn't want, so I need to go do that now before work. Holy heck. Everything hurts and I'm dying. That's the update. I'll talk to you guys after work, which hopefully won't be 10 o'clock, but we'll see. It's day 16. It's 6:20 and I haven't wrote a single word. I'm sick. I feel so bad right now. I'm gonna try. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna start writing. So here we go. Okay. I haven't written anything yet, just in case you're wondering. It's 7:19. Yikes. I made not one, but 2 bowls of soup because I just don't feel like chewing. Functioning's hard. I am about to do some writing sprints. This was filmed, this write-in was from the weekend, so this is by the Brook. It's on her channel. I can link it if I remember. And it's with a couple other people. Mandy Lynn and Natalia Lee, who I love Natalia Lee. She's, I don't know. I just dig her energy. Anyway, unrelated. So I'm gonna click into that and watch it while I do some sprints. Because it seems like I'm with somebody else, even though I'm by myself. So Zach's gone for the rest of the night, and I'm definitely gonna make it an early night because I work early and I just don't feel good and I want to sleep. So my goal is to get at least 1,000 words. I really like to at least hit my word count today. So 1,600, whatever it is. So that's what we're gonna try to do. And thanks for hanging out while I do it. Here we go.
not worth it. I'll drink this, but I'm just kind of like, oh.
At least you tried it. You branched out.
Yes, I branched out, so at least I just gave it a go and stuff rather than wonder. But oh yeah. Well, Wallacimo said Brooks mug. Yeah, I got this in Canada. Can you tell this is Canada, eh?
I don't know if it's slow for anybody else, but I click on something and I have to like wait and wait and wait for it to load, and it's not, and it just fails.
I refresh a lot.
Yeah.
For it to go into Word. So I wrote 2,709 words yesterday. I wish I had broken at least 3,000, but oh well. I was also doing chores around my house, and then I was also I hit something in my story where I was like, crap, if I do this, do I need to change this later on? And so I kept like going back and forth. I kept looking at my outline, and I kept like playing with another like copy of my outline to see if like I could do something. And I don't know. I felt like
Dramatic. I'm at 1,542 words, and I cannot keep my eyes open anymore. So that is going to be the end of today. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day with this cold or whatever. A bunch of the kids at my work have strep, and I'm really hoping I don't get that because that would suck. I don't know. It's been a weird couple of days with work, and I don't know where I stand with a lot of things, so it's just been weird mostly and uncomfortable, and I'm just kind of waiting to see what happens and trying my best while it's going, if that makes any sense. It probably doesn't, because you don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna blame it on the cold medicine and sign off for the night, and I hope you guys had a good night. Also, good day, whenever this is up. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.